Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
First, give your introduction.
I'm Pooja Singh, and I'm a teacher. Yes.
So, why you have chosen this profession?
Actually, two reasons for that. First, I'm naturally affectionate for the children. And second, from my childhood, I have this habit of explaining things
Okay.
beyond the level it is even required.
Okay.
And also, ever since I have joined myself as a teacher, never a single day I felt like where I'm going or oh my God, when the holiday will come.
Correct.
So when you don't feel like this and you are excited to go every day to your workplace, that means that is the right profession for you.
Right. So, in the regular, you're telling that what the profession you have chosen.
Yes,
That is
I'm
right.
enjoying it.
Yeah, you are enjoying it. Okay.
Yes.
Incidents that happened to you and
Okay.
that actually demotivated to you.
I'll not use the word that wrong profession or I'm at a wrong path.
Okay.
But every year, we went through so many trainings,
Correct.
how to deal with psychological issues,
Correct,
emotional, and the other challenges the child face. So we went through multiple trainings.
Correct.
I also educate myself. I have done my professional courses, B.Ed and Masters also in education I have done. So being so trained and have the sight to see through those innocent eyes of the child how he is or she is feeling.
Correct.
And the training, how they explained us, like we should reach out to the student, we should ask,
Exactly.
we should be friendly but we should not be friend.
Correct.
So this the concept that you should be friendly but not friend.
Correct.
Many times I debate it, within myself. Is it even the correct thing? You yourself, just try to recall how many times we ask the student what is the problem. We know that they are suffering from something,
Right.
but they will never share.
Right. Exactly.
And I tried it this year multiple times. There was one incident when the child was so totally emotional broken.
Okay.
Eyes were so full of tears up to the rim all. That I kept asking him, what is wrong with you, what happened, you share it with me, but not a single word he said. I'm fine, ma'am, there isn't any problem, I'm okay, I'm fine.
Okay.
So all those, the workshop, the training that we take, we just doing it and we are just keeping it to ourselves. We are not able to help a single child.
Right.
In my entire 15 to 17 years of experience that I have gained so far, not a single child I was able to help because of the training or the workshop that we attended. So sometimes I'm not able to relate the use of all these the time and money that we spend in it. It's not useful. We are not actually implementing it the way it should do.
Correct.
And sometimes I feel the concept you be friendly and not friend is not correct. We have to be friend, otherwise no one will share anything with us.
Correct.